that rare tornado that ripped through a Montebello warehouse. The building was red tagged. Today, workers got word that their jobs were being terminated. Eyewitness News reporter Sid Garcia tells us what's being done to help them.
2.5 weeks after a tornado ripped through this Montebello industrial area, one major employer has already informed the city it's permanently closing its facility here. Michigan-based company Utilimaster has sent a letter to the city informing it of its decision. Approximately 60 full-time employees will lose their jobs. No one at the warehouse wanted to talk about it. The tornado ripped through this industrial park March 23rd. The damage to area businesses was extensive. 11 red tag buildings affecting some 17 businesses. That means dozens of employees are out of work.
Right now we're working with these employers and directly with their employees to get them any of the unemployment resources that the state does offer that we can assist them with.
A few days after the tornado, the city of Montebello and LA County set up a tornado recovery center to help employees and business owners get the help they need. Among them was Luzette Sanchez. Her family's ice cream truck business was severely damaged by the tornado.
It is a little bit frustrating, you know. Since we are a small family business, we go day by day with our sales. We do hope that we get helped out with something.
Montebello continues to tap into resources from the county, state, and federal governments to help with the recovery.
Utilimaster says it'll close by the end of May permanently. And on May 3rd, the city of Montebello will host a job fair to help out the employees displaced by the tornado get back on their feet.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.